Here we have spirit, a whiskey, scotch whiskey, a black label. So we want just to see how we can measure, because other spirit, like what you saw when I was serving a liqueur or liquor, I came with a glass with a drink in it. But this, we use a tot. So this small glass is called tot measure or a jigger. So the standard jigger or the standard tot is 30 centiliter. I'll pour like one tot, because we use tot, the term tot, while measuring the spirit. So I'll pour. This is a single tot of black label. And remember, the guest can't force us to come and measure and pour the drink in front of him if he has a trust in you. So you have to be careful, because sometimes a guest can order for black label and you bring chivas, or you bring another thing, or you bring maybe less than what he is expecting. So in a very good standard, all spirits, they are measured by a barman or a bartender from the bar, and then you bring the glass with the drink. Sometimes a guest can order for double tot. Double tot means the single plus another single. Another single. This is a double tot of black label of a whiskey. And if you serve it like this, we call it straight up. A whiskey served straight up. Or in American English, they say straight up. So you have to be familiar to those expressions or the accents. So when you want to serve another type of whiskey or spirit, make sure that you go and you wash the tot measure or the jigger. Because if you don't wash it, the taste of the first drink can affect the taste of the second drink. Reason why I'll not use this tot to measure the second drink. So I'll use the new one. And this drink, as we said before, it's a brandy, or specifically called a cognac, Hennessy. So the service of this one is not complicated too, because you use the tot measure. So if you want to serve like a single, just you pour, you measure the 30 centiliter or 30 cl, and you pour in the glass. And that's it. So here I have a single tot of cognac in a brandy sniffer glass or a brandy balloon glass. And here I have double tot of whiskey of black label served straight up without anything, without ice, without any mixer. If I talk about mixer, I mean soda, soda water, water or Coke, and so on. So arriving to martini. Martini, it's one among of the popular aperitifs. We don't serve martini by using a tot measure as we did for other spirits. But remember that martini is not a spirit, but we shall talk about it when we start to learn wines. Okay, so this glass is cocktail glass or martini glass. So we serve martini in this specific glass. Good. So to serve, it's simple. Just you open the bottle and then you pour. So this is a glass of martini. If you have an olive, you can put a fruit, olive fruit here, just as a garnish with a toothpick. Good. So enjoy. Thank you. And up to here, we are ending with how we serve beverages. So the following video will be talking about wine service or how we can serve wine. Thank you very much.